ताळगाव भुतवाडी वाठारात नाल्यातल्या सिवरेजीचे उदक शेतांनी घुसून शेतां काबार जाल्यात। तांबडी भाजी, भेंडे, मिरसांग, पालका सारकेली शेतकारांची जाल्ली पिकावळ काबार जाल्या। फाटले 3-4 दीस जाले हो प्रकार चल्ला। शेतकारांनी विषय महापालिका, पंचायत आनी तलाठ्या मेरेन पावयलो, मात फक्त इन्स्पेक्शनां चल्ल्यात। उपाय करपाक कोणूच कांयच हालचाल करिना। शेतकार म्हणटात, शेतां भाजी काबार जाल्या, आतां नुकसाण भरपाय तरी दियात। एके वटेन सरकार लोकांक शेतां फाटां रोयात म्हणटा, मात रोयतल्यांक वालिना। पळयात रिपोर्ट।
हांव हांगासर आतां खूब वर्सां शेतांनी रोवन खातालें आनी केन्नाच अशें उदीक आमकां येवंक ना आसलें। हें फर्स्ट टायम आमकां उदीक येयलां आनी आमकां खूब लुकसाण जालां। म्हाका आतां हांव दिसाक 500 रुपयांचे भेंडे विकतालें आनी तेजे भायर तांबडी भाजी आसा, पालक आसा म्हाजी, मागीर हें मुळो आसा, मिरसांगो तर गेल्यो। आतां अंदूच्या वर्सा मिरसांगो ना आमकां। वास मारता उदकाक आनी आज घातल्यारूच आज खरपता आनी आतां बीन पांय बीन खाज येता पळय। आमी हेज्या पयलीं सगळ्यांक सांगलेलें।
पंचायतीर तलाटी येवन पळयलो, तलाटी निघून सांगलें, इंजिनियर येवन गेले हांगासर, तरी पूण आमचे हांगा कांय करूंक ना। आनी ह्या वर्सा आमकां सामकें चड उदक जालें। पोरुसून सांगलें आमी, तेज्या पयलीं येवन सांगलेलें तांकां की आमकां उदक येता अशें आसा म्हणून, पूण हें करिनासलें। ह्या वर्सा सामकें वयर पावलें उदक। पंचायत तर कांयच करिना। पंचायतीन 2-3 फावटी येवन तलाटी घेवन हाडून दाखयला आमी
सगळ्यांक हाडून दाखयलें, पूण आमकां कोणीच पळोवंक ना।
सरपंच येवन गेल्या, तलाटी येयल्या तेज्या वांगडा। तो म्हणटा दर्याचें उदक म्हणटा। दर्याचें उदक हांगा येतलें जाल्यार हार आसूंक जाय न्हू दर्याचें उदक। हें हार ना, हेका मात हाज, हेका बुड्डाता सगळें, वास मारता हेका घाणीचो।
आमी वचन थंयचेर तें उदीक धांवन येता।
DSK ग्रुप आनी लिव्हरपूल फुटबॉल क्लब एकठांय येवन पुण्यात उबारिल्ली फुटबॉल अकादमी जुनांत सुरू जाता। पयल्या बॅची खातीर 64 चले वेंचून काडटले। तातूंत 32 17 वर्सां सकयल्ले, उरिल्ले 19 वर्सां सकयल। भुरग्यांक वेंचून काडपा खातीर शुक्रारा सावन म्हापशेच्या धुळेर स्टेडियमांत ट्रायल सुरू जाता। ट्रायल आयतार मेरेन चलतली।
How has it been on the first day of the selection trials here in Goa?
It's been very warm for a start, and the players have done really well. So it's good to see a lot of players turning out to come and see us, and the facilities are absolutely fantastic. So yeah, it's been a good start to the Goa leg.
Overall, if you go to see Liverpool, such a huge club, and you have chosen India as the place to start the academy. India not known in football circles at all. So why India?
Well, DSK spoke to Liverpool about the potential for a partnership, and this is the first of its kind for Liverpool Football Club, a first residential academy. And it's because, obviously, we've got a fantastic partner in DSK. The people of India are so welcoming, and there's so much talent in this country, so, you know, why not India? Why not come here as opposed to anywhere else?
Michael, you've seen the youngsters here quite closely. What would you say they have in them? Because Goa obviously is known as a hotbed of football in India. So what do they have in them, and what mistakes are they making?
Well, technically they're very good players. I wouldn't say mistakes, but maybe development in tactical awareness on the pitch, knowing their surroundings. Maybe we could develop and help improve.
Right. You guys are looking for players in the under 17 and under 19 category.
Well, what we're doing at the moment is we've chosen that category because obviously we'll see what natural developments has come through. Obviously the grassroots coaching program that's going ahead in India will develop the younger players. And back home, you know, we're developing players at the ages of 7 and 8 and bringing them through. So that will eventually come, but initially we'll look at the under 17, under 19 group, and they're doing very well at the moment.
Wonderful. Now you have come to Goa after conducting trials in Aizawl and Shillong, and then from Goa you are moving to Mumbai and Delhi.
The talent across the country that we've seen so far is absolutely fine. I said recently that I think perhaps the talent is underestimated. It's better than what some local people think. They should have more confidence in what the young players are doing. So yeah, the talent has been really good.
Wonderful, great initiative by Liverpool, and coming to the club now. The club is really doing well this season, and at the top of the table right now. So what would you say Liverpool will do? I mean, if they win the title, it would be the first time they've won it since 1990. So how are you guys taking it right now?
Well, we've got 6 games left, and West Ham's the next game away, so taking one game at a time, and hopefully we can succeed, but one game at a time.
Wonderful. Thank you very much for talking to us. A great initiative in India.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.